Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Tucson wiper blades. Before you begin, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition completely off for safety. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position, preparing for the next step. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look closely at the point where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You will find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old blade downwards, away from the arm, until it detaches. It is very important to hold the metal wiper arm securely at all times to prevent it from accidentally snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Installing the new wiper blades is straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade upwards along the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked into position. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield, ensuring they rest properly. After installing both new wiper blades, it is time for a quick test. Turn your vehicle's ignition on and activate the windshield wipers, using the washer fluid to simulate rain. Observe how the new blades perform. They should clear the windshield smoothly and completely, without streaking or making excessive noise. This final check ensures your new wipers are working perfectly for clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.